this is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. Good on PhotoScape X for doing this. This is what they need to do. Look at this. This is a great way they executed it. I'm so happy right now. Hey you guys, this is Nathan back with another video. Today we are on PhotoScape X 4.2. I am really excited to show you guys what 4.2 has to offer. Just to confirm it for you guys, I'm going to hit the cog wheel here, right down here, PhotoScape X 4.2. In my recent video on this, I said, oh, hey, it's not out yet, and it looks like it might only be for Windows 10. In fact, what they were trying to say is that it's currently available for Mac, but not Windows 10 yet. So there must be some kind of hiccup or problem going on in Windows 10 where they can't release it just yet. So let's hop into here and we'll begin. So first, viewer doesn't look like it's changed much at all. All right, hopping into the editor here. Just going to drop this new image in. And it was talking about how there's some different object effects. So we'll go to Insert. We'll go to an object. We'll just draw a square here. And we'll see what kind of updates are there. It's interesting how they have this stuff noted. So we've got the new ones, which is this inner glow. Okay, inner glow here. So it gives you this inner glow. Okay, and there's some different blur options here, different thickness options, different opacity options. You can select your color. It is just one static color, so you can't be doing anything too crazy with like gradients. It doesn't look like. That's your inner glow. Inner shadow. Okay, so this would be something similar, but let's see. This one has an angle. That's right. That's why it's not as much of a glow versus a shadow, so you can angle it. And of course, you can pick whatever static color you'd like for that. All right. So we've got that. That's nice. Then we have emboss. So we click emboss here. And is this based on? Nope. So thickness, color, opacity. What is the color noted as? Like if I have red, it's just a darker setup here. Oh, okay. It's kind of gives an angle on the whole thing. Okay, interesting. So there's like it's like impressed into the photo. Okay, that works for me. When you move it, it does turn it off, and then it re-renders it or processes it when you let go. So that's fine. Okay. So that was the new objects. Now, does it apply to images? Okay, let's do this. Let me hop over to the cutout tab real quick, and we're just going to cut myself out of this image here just real quickly. Back to editor, hit paste. So this is just like if you were to insert a transparent image into your project. Question is, what is available? It looks like, wow, look at all this stuff that's available, you guys. All right, can we full screen this? Okay, perfect. What we've got in here is we've got all this stuff which is the same. Shapes look about the same. Basic shapes. Yeah. But you can't change points on it. Yeah, that's right. Okay. But let's see what we have here. Not shapes, but we've got this inner glow or this outer glow. Okay, outer glow. We've got this. Oh, we might not have seen the outer glow on the other one. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Nonetheless, we can change the thickness there. And the blur we can go down, and actually it gets it to the point where it does look just like a, wow, it looks like a solid border, a really nice border around. Now, okay, there's a little pink spot here because I messed up on the cutout, didn't get it exactly right. But if I do this with white, that's a perfect border. That makes it, look like a sticker, looks like something perfect that you can just throw into YouTube thumbnail or like graphic for like any kind of presentation or anything, makes it look like it pops out really nicely and everything. This is perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. Good on PhotoScape X for doing this. This is what they need to do. New image effects outline. So allegedly there's an outline. Wait, there is a straight up button for outline. Wow. And it is over there as well. Okay. So they have a button that's straight up for outlines. So you don't have to use that outer glow, which is good because then it's less of a teaching thing. Wow. I don't know what the difference between outer glow and this. The outer glow and the outline is about the same. But of course this one doesn't have as much shading. But it does have patterns. Oh, this is so nice. You guys, you're surprising me all the time. Okay, perfect. So you've got all this stuff. Now, why is this not open for Windows right now? Man, I need this stuff. This is great. Okay. This is so good. This makes PhotoScape X so much more pro. Oh, man. That's great. Super awesome. You also have long shadow. Now, long shadow can get a little bit obnoxious, but that can look really good with the right angles and things. And it's fully rotating. It makes it just look so much more pro. You guys, this is a great update. I'm surprised that they've done so well with this. Okay, sweet. Okay. So we got all that fun stuff out of the way. Super exciting. That changes the game. Very cool. Color. Look at this. This is a great way they executed it. I'm so happy right now. Okay, so check this out, guys. So in PhotoScape X, the hard thing is that if you were to put an image in or an object in or something, you wouldn't have access to color. You wouldn't have access to edit that image individually. Now you do. You go over here to color, you select it, and it opens it up in its own window. Beautifully done. And this is all being done in the free version as well. Makes it so easy to recommend. All right, so then you get the color tab. Do you get mask? You do get mask. That's what they were talking about. Oh, unbelievable. Wow, this is incredible, you guys. Okay, so you can adjust all that stuff. Beautiful. And then you can also mask just certain areas. So let's say if I just wanted my eyes to pop more and be a little bit brighter, I could brighten them up there. And then it's just that one section. Wow. Okay. Incredible. I am so excited about that. That's so awesome. Okay. There's just a section for mask, which is interesting. So I can just mask something. That means I can mask out. Is that right? Hold on. Check this out. Okay. Mask. So let's say if I didn't want my shirt at all, I just want my face. I can hit apply, and then it's just my face in the photo. That gives you the ability to cut out the image, which is perfect, which means you don't have to be jumping to cut out just for a minor tweak or an edit like that. Unbelievable. The way that they do this with letting you jump in when it's a selected item is so much more useful than going through a section of just layer after layer after layer after layer. So good. This is amazing. I really didn't give it enough credit when I read these through, but the way they've executed it is more than I thought that they would do. Oh, now there is the background section. You can even put a background in here, so if you wanted to... Wow, that's so nice. Can you go to the negatives? You can't go to the negatives, but if you wanted to put a background on something, if you needed it to pop or stand out, you can. Very nice, very nice. The way that they're doing this UI is so good in this section. I love it. So good. Added close tab to the collage section. This is just something that they've kind of just been needing. Close. Yep, it's right there. And is there an easy button for close? If you go over to more, yeah, there's just an easy close button and you just start over. Font favorites. I am excited to see how this looks. Okay. Let's get our text effect in here. Okay, and then we go to a font, and you can hit add to favorites. Super easy, and they make it very prominent, so people will, unless it's like they really don't want to, but they really can use it. So if I really like just Arial, got that, cool. I can hit Times New Romans, hit that one in, and then I can pick some of my other favorites if I have a favorite that I really like to use. So that means like if you have some downloaded handwritten fonts and stuff that you're like, oh, how did I spell that? Was it? You can do it and hit add and you'll have it there. So good. Hit OK. Next time you're in fonts, super quick and easy to flip between your favorite ones. And so you could be consistent and use the same ones all the time if you want to. But still be able to flip between a couple different ones. Very nice. They had a new type of saving ability. With the saving ability here, we've got down here, this is the WebP quality. You can do that. Sweet. 22 camouflage patterns. All right, let's go over to patterns real quick. The camouflage patterns, there's a bunch of them too. Like, oh, it's really nice. And none of them are pro. They're all free. They're all completely free. Very nice. Those are just almost easy backgrounds if you wanted to. Because if you hit into these, yeah, they're just easy backgrounds, honestly. I like it. Yeah, those patterns are good. They look nice. I can turn off my emboss if I want to. So, sweet. Flower stickers. Oh, they're just of the flower themselves. Now, how high quality are these? They're decent quality. Yeah, they're all right. They're not bad. Sweet, love it. That looks great. I thought they were gonna be like stems and everything, and I'm like, when am I gonna use that? But this could be just like a color pop thing for an image. Nice. Next, pixel stickers. All right, let's see, pixel stickers. Are these the pixel stickers? They must just really like these. Maybe they're doing an NFT collection or something. Yeah, but they've got a bunch of them. Even some words and things like subscribe. You guys can subscribe if you want to do this. You can even like the video if you like all this stuff. And when you zoom in, they do scale with size. So it's really good. Some people like the pixel look. Other people are like, maybe not. All right, I like that. Next we have select editing multiple objects. Okay, this one's going to be a little more tough. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to select. I have two selected. I have two images selected here. This is flower and this is my face. With these two selected, I can outline both of them at the exact same time. It might take a little bit longer for them to process, but you can. Very nice. You could do long shadow, drop shadow, inner glow. You even do overlays, which is great. I think you can do overlays. Yeah. Oh yes, you can. Wow. So you can do double overlays at the same time. Very cool. I don't know exactly when that would be super helpful, but it's great to have that option. So much available here. I'm very happy with what they've done. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. But I am super pumped to see what PhotoScape X continues to do. But this is the update that I've been waiting for. It's so exciting. Definitely something where PhotoScape X becomes much more appealing to recommend to people. And this makes it so much more usable for pros and people who are doing serious work in photo editing. Even if it's not their main gig, it's something that's a supporting thing, like for an Etsy store or a website or a YouTube channel. Very exciting. So you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.